locust swarm. Well, the river turned to blood and the fish died. The life survived and so did the fight. Sickness to the animals, sickness to the humans. Hunger hit and the land was stripped. Hailstorm, the locust swarm. Hailstorm, the locust swarm. Salvation dead, calm, grave valleys, dead blood. Earthquakes and rock volcanoes disrupt. Mountains engulfed in hostility. Banned by the seas and insanity. Clouds brought hellfire blackness as the welfare of the existence. Where the river turned to blood and the fish died. The life survived and so did the